Hey friends, nothingwire.com, and we have the brand new Nikon Coolpix S3500 here. So this is the new entrant of the Nikon Coolpix Style series. S denotes style. Thus you see this nice little design here. They see very sleek phone, a nice metalish mount that gives a very good style statement, and it's so sleek it can easily go inside your purse. Yeah, so this guy has an incredible 20.1 megapixel maximum still resolution, 7x optical zoom plus a 4x digital zoom also. Then it records at max of 720p HD video at the rate of 30 fps. Yeah, so on the front side you have the flash as usual, autofocus assist lamp, and then you have the Nikkor lens, which is 7x optical zoom, as you can see here, EDVR lens. The focal range here 4.7 mm till 32.9 mm, which is about 26 to 182 in 35 mm equivalent. You have the aperture range starting from f by 3.4 till 6.4. It's not exactly a fast lens, but then for this price point, this series mainly emphasizes on style while give you quick results. So on top you have the power button and the zoom lever. On the back side you have the TFT LCD screen, which is 2.7 inch 230K dot. It has 5 levels of brightness adjustments. So here you have the dedicated video button, your playback button. You have a dedicated scene mode button. In fact, let me just show you. So there you see the playback button. Okay. And then you can straight away go to scenes here, and then you have the dial, the flash button, exposure compensation scale, then your self timer, and then various shooting modes, macro, switch on or off there. You have the menu button here, and then the delete. On this side you have eyelet for your lanyard, and then the your data transfer out as well as charging. Below you will have the tripod mount plus space for your battery and the SD card. So it runs on an EN-EL19700 mAh battery. Nikon promises about 220 still shots or 50 minutes of continuous video shooting. It supports SD card, SD-AC and SD-XC cards. It also has a 25 MB internal memory. But this guy comes in an astonishing 8 colors, 8 vibrant colors, so that you have all the options of choosing the one that best fits your personality. Now let's quickly go and show you the interface in a little detail. So I'm gonna switch this on, and you can see that's the display. You'll see all these displays. You'll see the time remain there. So you can go and you can toggle the flash mode there, slow, shrinko, auto, flash with red eye reduction there. But the moment the flash is gonna fire, this small light's gonna blink. So the moment there is a low light, as you can see it's gonna blink. So that means the camera is gonna flash. And there you see. So you have the exposure compensation scale here, then you have the self timer, your macro mode, switch on or off, and then you have the detail menu here, image mode. You can see that's the max 20 MP there. So it only supports JPEG in still and AVI in movie format. So that's a white balance, continuous shooting. It supports contrast, detects continuous autofocus. Your ISO sensitivity, it goes from 80 all the way up till 1600. 3200 is only available in the auto mode. You can quickly go here and see your color options, autofocus, area mode and quick effect. Press left to go to the still or video mode. In video mode you'll have these movie options. Let's see, that's the max 720p at 30 frames per second. You have your autofocus mode. So full-time autofocus is particularly useful when you're shooting a moving object. You can reduce the wind noise, and then you have your setup menu where you can set up the system. Yeah, so that's pretty much about the menu. So the playback menu is also usual. You have some quick retouch, delighting glamour retouch, and then some other stuff. Yeah, so that's about it. So the Nikon Coolpix S3500 will cost about rupees 7,950 MRP and will be available very shortly. Thank you.